Good morning, student. We have completed our UT chapters. Let's begin our second term. Chapter number 13, A House to Live in. We all live in a house. Houses provide us shelter, warmth, and safety. The design of house and the material it is made up of depend on the location. Houses in cold areas like Kashmir have sloping roof. Houses in Assam are mostly made of wood. Thus, we can say that there are different types of houses. Now the next topic is factors that influence house making of house. The type of house to be built is influenced by three main factors: place and climate, economy, and availability of materials. We will discuss about them in detail. Now, firstly, the in this paragraph we have studied that there are three main reasons why we build a house: to give us shelter, for our safety, and to give warmth to us and uh, protect us from the thieves or animals, etc. Now there are many different type of houses. Like in Kashmir, the houses have sloping roof, and in Assam the houses are mostly made up of wood. Now the factors that influence the house are place and climate, economy, and availability of material. Now, place and climate. The place and climate are the two main factors which decide the type of house. House in hills have sloping roof to drain off rainwater and snow. People living in village make their houses with mud and thatch. People living in the sea coast build their houses with bamboo and thatched roof. Now, the houses in hills have sloping roofs so that the snow may fall down easily. And in villages, people used to make their houses with mud and thatch. Now, a house is a hot place differs from a house in a cold place. Houses in a hot climate have no glasses at all or in the windows to keep the interior cool. Their houses have thick walls to protect the people from heat, whereas flat roof enables the people to sleep in the open. In places where the climate is hot, damp and rainy, the houses are made a few feet above the ground. Such houses on raised platform are known as silt house. These houses protect the people from flood. These houses have sloping roof to let rainwater run off easily. Now the houses in cold places are different from the houses in hot places. Like the in hot places we have houses with no windows at all, and the walls are thick so that the interior is kept cool, and they have flat roofs so that the people can sleep in the open. And in hot and damp climate, the houses are made a few feet above the ground so that the rain water or the flood cannot break the houses. The next is economy. The type of house a person builds depend on the money that he can afford to spend on it. If we want to build a hut, it will need a less money, but a bungalow requires lakhs of rupees for its construction. The next factor is economy, means the money we invest in the house or we spend in the house to be built. It is obvious that if we build a hut, it will require less money, while a bungalow requires lakhs of money for its construction. The next is material. The most important factor is the availability of material in that particular areas. Thus, in the hills, you will find mostly wooden houses. This is because many timber trees grows on the mountains and the plains. You will find mostly brick houses. Now, the next is material. The material which is available in the nearby places. In hilly areas, we find that houses are mostly made up of wood. Why? Because the timber trees grows well in the mountainous region. In the plains, the houses are mostly made up of bricks. You will find a variety of houses in the world. They have different designs and made up of different material that are commonly used for building a house are bricks, stone, concrete, wood, iron, steel, glass, leaves, grass and mud. Mud, bamboo and palm leaves are also used to make kacha houses called huts. Stone are also used to build walls of houses and places where they are easily available as in Rajasthan. Now there are few materials which are required for the construction of houses. They are bricks, stone, concrete, wood, iron, steel, glass, leaves, grass and mud, etc. Now we will continue about the construction of houses in the next class. Till then read the chapter till here only and try to fill its exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.